When KMG announced the cause of the accident alongside Ohio state officials, they failed to disclose another fact. The manufacturer knew the swing arms were at risk. As far back as 2010, KMG realized the ride had a water pooling issue. To solve it, they redesigned the connectors to the gondolas. But the redesign failed to fix the problem, and neither ride owners nor authorities were notified. A few years after the redesign, a Fireball owner called North American contacted KMG. They had concerns over rusting in a part of the swing arm. This was the exact spot which snapped on the Fireball at the Ohio Fair. In response, they were told to clear the corroded metal and apply primer to protect the remaining steel. The manufacturer also requested updated measurements of the steel's thickness after the work was complete. Armed with this information, KMG then lowered the minimum required thickness to match the measurements set by North American Midway. But this was after the corroded steel had been removed, meaning the swing arm was significantly weakened. Neither of these issues were communicated to ride owners or officials, so the manufacturer willingly exposed the public to danger for at least 5 years. Disgusted by the revelation, the families of the victims tried to file a wrongful death lawsuit. But KMG couldn't be brought to trial. Ohio law set a 10-year limit on guilt for manufacturing defects. Given the Fireball's age, KMG couldn't be held responsible. Legal experts even said that the failed redesign couldn't be used in court, as the law didn't want to deter companies from fixing problems. Despite hiding information that endangered the public, it seemed as if Ohio law was doing everything in its power to protect KMG. On top of a question of legal framework, there was even more problems in how the industry was overseen. As the investigation unfolded, it became clear that ride manufacturers had been left to their own devices. Yet at the same time, officials relied on them for maintenance and inspection guidelines.